Hello guys. Okay, for this assignment you are going to need your purple folder. I know you can't see the color very well because of the light, but this is your purple folder. Okay, find me your purple folder. Remember, in the front we have a checklist. These are all the things that we need to do when we're writing. We need to make sure that our sentences start with capital letter. We need to make sure that inside of our sentences we use lower letters, lowercase. We leave finger space between our words, that we use our heart words correctly, that we use information, details. Don't forget your punctuation at the end. Read over your writing to make sure that it makes sense and that you didn't make any mistakes. And make sure that your writing is nice and neat so that I can read it. In class, we worked on page 3. Now I need you to turn to page 4. Okay? This is very similar. So remember, I told you we're just warming up right now. These little stories are warming up. Remember, we're working on narratives, and narratives are stories. Stories can be make-believe, they can be fiction, or they could be real. They could be about us. For right now, we're practicing fiction stories because these didn't really happen to us, right? These are make-believe stories. So in this story, there are 3 things that happened. Okay? In the beginning, it tells us what happened in our story. It says, "My winter day was so fun." So we know that this story is going to be about a fun winter day. And then we need to figure out, well, what happened on this fun winter day? And that's when we have our details for our story. We have 3 details for our story. So we had a 1, my winter day was so fun. First, what does it look like happened first here? Okay. It looks like first I made a snowman, and then so there's more than one person. So we went sledding. I see them sitting on a sled. Then we had hot chocolate. Okay. So I'm going to say first. So let's trace first. And I'm going to write this story. If you really don't know what to write, then you can write the same story that I am writing. But if you feel comfortable enough, I want you to write your own story, okay? I need you to write your own story if you feel comfortable enough already. So first, to me, it looks like I built a snowman. First, I made a snowman. Alrighty, am I done? No, I'm not done. I need my punctuation. First, I made a snowman. Okay, so my winter day was fun. First, I made a snowman. So this tells me one thing that I did on my fun winter day. So I'm telling a story about my fun winter day and what I did. Next, I'm going to say I went sledding with my friend. So we can say I went sledding with my friend or we went sledding. Next, I went sledding with my friend. Period. Then there are no people in this picture, so I get to decide, is it just gonna be me or me and my friend that had hot chocolate? Okay. Then I'm gonna say I actually, because I only see one cup. So I'm gonna say then I had hot chocolate. Period. So now I have a whole story of what happened. My winter day was so fun. First, I made a snowman. Next, I went sledding with my friend. Then I had hot chocolate. So these are the things that happened in my story in order. Okay? And that's it, guys.